Little storyteller.
Finley was a little fish with bright blue scales and big, friendly eyes. He loved living in the colorful coral reef. The reef was a busy and happy place, full of waving anemones and bubbly sounds. Finley had a wonderful idea. "I will organize a big race," he thought excitedly. He swam around the reef, his tail wiggling with enthusiasm. He saw Shelley the sea snail, who moved very slowly, leaving a sparkly trail behind her. Then he saw Zoom the swordfish, who zipped through the water incredibly fast. Finley knew the race had to be fair for everyone. He thought, tapping his fin on his chin. Different races for different speeds. Finley announced his plan. There will be a slowpoke sprint for the sea snails, a middle movers marathon for the clownfish, and a speedy splash for the swordfish. The sea creatures were very excited. Shelley the sea snail smiled, showing her tiny teeth. Zoom the swordfish swished his long nose happily. The day of the race arrived, and the reef was buzzing with anticipation. Finley stood at the starting line, which was marked by a big, pink starfish. "Ready, steady, go," he called. The slowpoke sprint began first. Shelley the sea snail carefully glided along the sandy bottom, leaving her shimmering trail. The middle movers marathon was next, with the colorful clownfish darting through the coral. Finally, it was time for the speedy splash. Zoom the swordfish zoomed past so quickly, it made the water ripple. Everyone finished their races with big smiles. Finley cheered for all his friends. They were all winners in their own way. As the sunbeams danced on the water, Finley said, "It's fun to see how different we all are. Some of us are slow, and some are fast, but we can all enjoy a race together when we make it fair for everyone."
Please subscribe. Thank you.